Hey, it's me, and I'm gonna try a little recipe that Angry Grandpa made. He made his barbecued mustard or mustard barbecue, so I'm gonna try it. It's gonna be a little different because I have the mustard and some of the other stuff, but I don't have the Italian dressing sauce that he had, so I'm gonna improvise. Use my own little thing. Okay, got my bowl. I got my brown sugar. I got my mustard. Got me some ranch dressing. Maybe it will work. Who knows? So, what I'm gonna do is get me some mustard. So I'm gonna get me some mustard. Don't want too much. He said only a couple squirts, so that's what I'm doing. Can improvise later. Almost dropped that. This stuff you gotta stir good. Always test it. Maybe a little more mustard. So I'm tasting a lot of sugar. And I'm running out of mustard. Should put a little bit, considering I'm not putting it. I have to improvise. Gotta make it look good. Much better. I should use this up. It's almost gone. Don't worry, Grandma. I love my mustard too. Make sure don't pause. Get another swirl. Perfect. Now I'm gonna, instead of doing like the roast beef or whatever, the shredded that he had, I'm gonna do chicken because that's what I have. So I gotta prepare that. So this is what this looks like. This looks like this. Yum. So, that's what that looks like. So, I will be back in just a moment. Okay. Hopefully the battery don't go dead. Alright. I made the barbecue sauce. And I had to make chicken, so I cut up some chicken, and I was doing that for a while. So, love me my chicken. So, got my buns. Got my grandpa barbecue sauce. Oh. So what I'm gonna do, bring this over. A little hot. Pile it up so I can grab it. There we go. I like me some chicken. Then I'll put it on the back burner. Oh, shoot. Yummy. Then I take the barbecue sauce. What I'm going to do is pour it on there. Oh, yeah. It's probably going to drip all over the counter. Kind of dripping everywhere, but I feel like I'm licking an ice cream cone. Kind of made a mess, but now to take the bite. This is what the sandwich looks like. Here we go. Wow. Wow. Good stuff, Grandpa. I don't think I'm gonna let my brother know this, because then he'll want to eat some. But, oh man, Grandpa, that stuff is good. And it's like almost 4 in the morning right now, and I had to cook me some, barbecue sauce and all this good stuff. I've been wanting to try something. I figured this stuff I kind of had in the house, most of it. So, take care. Love the cooking videos. Keep them up.